My name is Dereck Wansing. I work for the Army Corps of Engineers in Kansas City District. I'm here supporting the LGL mission, which is the local government liaison. We are teamed up with our FEMA partners. So basically we get out, locate those folks that are operationally in the field, coordinate with them with the local mayors of cities, some of the county leaders, anybody that we can reach out to get our messages across for the missions that we have. For us to get out and meet with the local officials, the mayors, some of the councilmen at the lowest level, we want to try to keep issues going that are from escalating. We want to talk to them about the missions that we have as the Corps of Engineers with our FEMA partners, and in order to do that, we will team up to get together and meet with these folks and explain and answer any questions so they don't get elevated. Occasionally there's mismessaging or bad communication sometimes between the locals that mayors are getting feedback from, or the leaders of the parishes, not understanding exactly what we're doing. They may be talking to other roofing crews that are in the area that are actually getting paid to do the work, whereas we're offering a free service to them. So we have to clarify a lot of times the difference between a tarp and a blue roof, so that they understand that this is a better material, something that we're going to do that's going to further improve their home until permanent work is done. For me to have a good day, though, I want to make sure I feel like I've done the best serve the communities that are here.